How to draw Spider-Man's hand, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Spider-Man's hand, we're going to begin by drawing a curved line going up and down right here towards the left hand side center of the page. From this curved line, we're going to draw the first finger, so we're going to want to extend it up a little bit higher, and then we're going to want to make it curve around to make the outline of the finger. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Nice! So now we have the outline of the first finger. Now connected to that, on the right hand side, we're going to want to draw two more fingers. We'll begin by drawing a curvy line, which will be the top of the two fingers. The hand that we're drawing today of Spider-Man will appear to be shooting a web, which is why the two fingers that we're currently drawing will appear to be pointing downwards. Now the next finger that we draw, which will also be the third finger, will be attached to the finger that we just made together along with that line right above. Well done! Now before we draw the last finger on this side of the hand, we're going to go over a little bit to the left and draw the thumb. And if you ever feel that I'm going too fast, or if you need a moment or two to catch up, then feel free to pause the video or rewind as you need to. Next, we're going to want to connect the thumb to those three fingers on the right hand side that we previously made together. Now we're not going to close off that opening just yet. For the next step, we're going to draw a small part of the arm and connect it to the hand. We still have to draw one more piece for the arm, but we're not going to make that just yet. For the next step, let's go ahead and draw the last finger all the way over here on the right hand side. We're going to want to continue to extend this finger a little bit below those two in the middle. Now I still want to add in one small piece for the arm, so let's move right above and let's draw one small curved line that will connect from the finger to those two right next to it. Now on the bottom left hand side of the hand, there's a small opening. In this opening, we're going to draw the web of Spider-Man that is shooting out. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Are you all done drawing the web? If so, let's continue. Now for this step, we're going to connect the openings on the bottom of the hand to the web that we just made. Now for the last step before we color in today's drawing, we're going to want to add in the lines all over Spider-Man's hand. If you want to color in the hand first red, and then come back and add in the lines so that the Sharpie doesn't smear, then that will work as well. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and add in all of these lines, then I'll color in later on. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below, then that way we can continue to grow our drawing community together. Is there anything else that you would like to learn how to draw from Spider-Man? If so, comment that down below. This is how to draw Spider-Man's hand. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub. If you want to see more videos just like this in the future, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And don't forget that next I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in. Great job today and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.